Okay, this is a retro unboxing. This is an old Muse kit. They're not making Muse anymore. I didn't get these that long ago. So this is a box I opened just to check what was in it. Now I have no idea what's in it because it's been a while. So I'm going to open this, use the materials inside, and make some sort of artwork with only what's in here, with the exclusion of possibly my own pencil, my own eraser. Is that what it is? Eraser, pencil, and paintbrush? Is that what it is? Okay, let's see what's in here. I ordered it for a reason. Oh, okay. I don't remember ordering this, but that doesn't mean anything. Ooh, I like that paper. I think this candy's probably not all that great. Oh, it's paper. Okay. So, what do we got? So, we got some paper. Does it say? This is from April 2024. And it is Sumi ink. Sumi ink. Okay. Ah, okay. Alright, so we got a palette. We got a white jelly roll. Not my favorite. We got a little cup. Got some interesting brushes. The Fabriano watercolor paper. It's cold press, not cotton. Might be partially cotton. That's a what's the size? 4x8. So interesting size. And a sticker. And oh, got two stickers. And these. So watercolor ink. Not sure what that means. PBO. I've heard of it before. I don't think I've used it. Okay. All right. Looks pretty. Plastic bottles. It's very red. So we got let me see, light yellow, Turkish red, ultramarine blue, spring green, sepia, and ivory black. So good colors. And these, I guess, to suck the ink out of it. Those are kind of cute. They're tiny. They're just little. I guess we'll do a little swatch. I'm thinking that they're like liquid watercolor, so like dye-based. Like the Dr. P.H. Martin has some. Actually, a lot of places do. Ecoline has some. Let's Make Art used to. I don't know if they're still making those anymore. Now these brushes are not in English, so does it say anything? These don't describe as much as the other boxes, so. Okay, it does say. Never mind. Okay, steel cup. I like the cup. Oh, calligraphy brushes. Ideal for use with Sumi ink, drawing inks, and watercolors. These bamboo brushes, excellent creating blah, blah, blah. Okay, so these are meant to be used with like Sumi ink, I guess. Should I try to paint this, or should I try to paint something else? Oh, I like that fish. Oh, there's a fish. Skills challenge. Yikes. I don't have those skills. That's a cute little fishy, though. I suppose I could try. Because the paper would work well for it. It doesn't come with a pencil, but I can use my own pencil and my own eraser. And my own paintbrush. I don't have to use these. I don't want. Yeah, maybe I'll do this fish. I'll have to take a picture of it and make it bigger so I can actually see what I'm drawing. It's a nice little cup. Well, this I probably won't use. I have a porcelain thing I can use. Palette. I'm not sure what I would. Well, I guess you could add white to it afterwards. Okay. All right. Well, let me see. I'll try to get to work drawing this. I'm not sure how successful I'm gonna be. All right. Well, I'll be back with, I don't know. Should I try to just draw it right now? get a pencil. Or should I do it in my... I might use my watercolor pencil. All right, let's see. This looks like a tattoo kind of. Oh, and this paper too. Oh, I forgot about that. What did it say about the paper? That seems like a weird thing to include. Cut edge watercolor paper. Is it? This is watercolor? Seems kind of thin. Light texture. It looks kind of grayish comparatively, and this is slightly off-white. Let's look at it. I guess I could make it bigger. Yeah, it doesn't feel like watercolor paper, or it feels like a weird kind of, like, feels to me like resume paper. I know I'm like old and people don't do that anymore, but I'm sure it's fine. It's just, I think I'll work on this just because I'm familiar with it. Let's see if we can draw this fish. Okay, so it's about here, and about here. So I forgot to do a swatch. So here it is. I did use all the colors. The eyes are blue here, but because there's so much blue in the background, I wanted to add a different color for the eyes. So I think I'm done with the painting part. I just wanted to dry a little bit, and I'm going to add something of mine, because I could, with a paintbrush, do black to outline, but I don't. It's easier to do it with a pen, so I'm cheating. This is, I don't know what, it says Copic Gas and Fude nylon brush, but it's water resistant or waterproof or whatever. So I can do lines with it, and I think it'll bring it together. So hopefully, and I'm going to use some white to do a little bit of highlight. So I'm going to let it dry for a little bit, and I'm going to come back. Okay, also, for the white, I'm not going to use the, so I'm really not using everything in the box. This is a Kuretake Zig, it's a white brush pen. And it's really nice and white, so I'm going to use this instead to do the white highlights. I think that's done. I think that came out better than I expected. This is the one I was working from. That was from the booklet. But I did have to go outside the box and use some of my own stuff. Yeah, this is not my usual style, but I do like the way it came out. So the thing I like about the liquid watercolors is that they're so vibrant. And I love vibrant colors. So regular watercolor, you can, I mean, you can get some good colors, but because it's a dye base, I think they're able to make it more vibrant, and I just love, of course, me, and the yellows and the reds and the oranges. So yeah, I love that. So yeah, it was kind of fun. I really like those. Those are good. So if you are interested in trying those out, those will be going in one of the Advent boxes. And you use very little of it, so the little bottles will last you forever. So yeah, that's it. That was fun. What did I do? The paper, it's not that bad. I mean, it's like buckling a little bit, you know. It's expected. Yeah, I don't like Jelly Roll, but that's just a personal thing, I think. What else? I don't think I used anything else. I just used the paint and the ink and the paper. Is that it? Anyway, so that's a good box, yeah. So that's it for this week. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye!